Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Christmas ornament surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our ornament surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to begin by lining up the corners and giving it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and I'm going to give it another nice fold. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin by making the top of our ornament. We're just going to make a circle. So let's just begin by making half of a circle like this, like a little sad face. And then we're just going to make a smiley face down here, for the bottom of our circle. Next, up here, let's just draw a little line. It's going to go up, kind of curve it, and then bring it down for the top of our ornament. And then let's just make like a little hook shape on here. Now, starting here, let's make a face. So I'm just going to begin by making a circle, and then I'm going to make another circle. I'm going to put a black dot inside each one for the pupil. Then I'll make a line across that comes down and up for the mouth. Put a little tongue in there and a little line across for some teeth, and then we can just color in the middle. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we can see that our ornament now becomes two halves. Now, when doing something like this, I always like to start at the bottom first. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to curve this line up and bring it down. Then I'll make the top just kind of go up, over, and down. And then we'll put the little hook. Now we want to start adding more ornaments on here. So let's start over here. Let's begin by making another circle. Then let's put one over here. Let's make another circle. This time we're going to make this one smaller. Let's do a circle up here. We'll do another small one right over here. We'll make one pop out over here. We'll do another ornament here. And then we'll kind of connect this one down. Then I'm going to put an ornament over here, just like a small circle. Then I'll make another one here, another tiny one. And then we'll do a small one up here. And I'm staying away from the fold area. Now, our next step is to add some faces and the tops of our ornaments. So let's go ahead and start at the tops. So I'm just going to go ahead and each one of these, we'll just make a little top on them. And you guys can do the tops wherever you want to. I'm just going to kind of put them all over in like random places. And so we're just going to add the little tops to each one of these ornaments, kind of wherever you want to. Now let's do some of the fun part and add some of the fun faces on here. So let's start with this one up here. I'm going to make a line that goes in and out. And then same thing here, in and out. Then I'm going to make a big smiley face on here, and we're going to add the tongue and the teeth so it looks like it's really laughing. I just kind of colored in that middle part. Then over here, let's make another one. I'm going to make two circles for the eyes. Then I'll just kind of color in the pupils. This time we're going to make a great big smiley face on here. We'll do a tongue, and then we're going to add some kind of rounded teeth on here. Over here, let's make a cute one. So we're just going to make 2 circles for the eyes. And then we'll make 2 small circles in there and just kind of color them in. And you see I'm coloring in between the circles. Then we'll just give it some little kissy lips on there. This one, we're going to make it look like it's going upside down. So we're going to make 2 circles here. And we're going to make 2 circles right there. And then we're going to make what looks like a smiley face, but it's going to turn into a sad face. And then we're going to kind of curve it here. And we'll make a couple little bumps for the tongue. Like that one's kind of going crazy because he's upside down. Next, this one, let's make a little line that goes in and out. And then we'll make a circle for the eye. But we can make the pupil. And then we're just going to make a nice big mouth. It looks like he's winking. Over here, we'll make one that has 2 circles here for eyes. We'll color in the pupils. We'll make a line that comes up and down, and then we're going to make a line that curves around here for the tongue. Make a line down and a line on the tongue. Then over here, I'm just going to make a line that kind of curves across. We'll make a line that comes down and up and down and up. We'll give this one like some sunglasses. We'll make a little line and then a curve here. Then the next step is we want to add the hooks. So these little ones, you could always put hooks on, but I think on these, I'm just going to leave them with, or I should say you can put faces on, but I think I'm just going to leave these little bottom ones out here without faces. Then the final thing you can do is you can kind of customize all these ornaments to however you want to. So like one of the fun things you can do is you can add designs to it. Like I'm going to add some stripes to this one right here. This one over here, I'm going to make some kind of like wavy lines that kind of come up here just to give it like a little bit of detail. Over here, I think I'm going to put polka dots all over this one. And I'm going to do like an odd number of polka dots. Oh, I forgot to add the hook on this one. Then this one here, I think I'm going to do stripes on here, but I'm going to put a few more stripes on this one. I'll kind of do it so I'm careful not to avoid, or to avoid the eyes and not get anything on there. And then a couple of these over here, I think I'll add a few stripes on. And then maybe a couple polka dots on this one. And there you go. There is your drawing of a fun little cartoon ornament surprise fold. When we have it all folded up, we just have this fun, simple looking ornament, real easy. And then when we open it, there's all sorts of ornament chaos going on. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.